Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix the footer in Wix. So, if you're having trouble with your Wix website footer, whether it's missing, not sticking to the bottom, or overlapping other content, this guide will walk you through fixing all common footer issues step by step. So, you'll have to basically navigate at the bottom of the page, click the footer, and select the footer. Now, if the footer appears halfway up the page, it means your page content is too short. Add a spacebar or stretch existing elements to push the footer down. In Wix Studio, ensure that the footer is set to dock to bottom in the layout setting. So you can click the footer, choose pages and menu. It will open up layout. Here, you'll have to make sure that the footer is set to dock at bottom. You can also click on settings icon under footer settings and choose freeze footer. And as you can see, your footer is frozen and may cover other content. Now, to make the same footer appear across all pages, select the footer, click settings and choose select show on all pages. Now, choose all pages and confirm changes, and this ensures consistency throughout your site. Now, make sure that no page content is overlapping the footer. Drag the footer's top border, that is just right here, to increase its height if needed. You can also decrease it if needed. Now, click the mobile icon in the top bar and adjust the footer elements manually in the mobile view. You can see this is the footer and you can adjust the elements manually in order to make sure everything looks good. Tap hide from mobile for non-mobile friendly items if needed. You can simply select anything and choose hide element. And that's how you fix footer issues on Wix, whether it's placement, layout or design. These steps should help you solve it quickly. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.